Okay, we have a Daewoo horizontal machining center, model DHP 5000, serial number HP 540027. Machine was new in 2004. We're going to run her for you. Machine has 500 millimeter or 19.7 by 19.7 pallets, 1 degree indexing on the pallets, 33 point. Spindle's at 1500 RPM. It goes up to 14,000. 3,500 RPM. 33.4 of X travel, 27.6 of Y, and 29.5 of Z. 6,000 RPM. Again, it goes up to 15. 8,000 RPM. Machine has a spindle chiller, through spindle coolant. 10,000 RPM. Okay. I'm going to simulate a tool change. You have a 60 ATC automatic tool changer. Another tool change. All right. We're going to do a pallet. We're rotating. Okay. We're going to do a change. There you go. We're going to do one more. All right. Jog some axes. That's your Z. Your X. In your Z. Oh, I'm sorry, Y. And you've already seen the B. Okay. Hey, thank you for watching our video.